All right, this one looks like I have a whole bunch of yuck. No, not really. Well, yeah, maybe it is. So what do? Let's just work it slowly. Every part of this problem is a smaller problem that we've already gained confidence doing. So let's go take it slow. First process, are there any groupings that I can go ahead and deal with? I do. I have 1/2 minus the 3/4. I know that 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. So I just make that modification first, which allows me then, yes, I'm doing a lot of writing and nothing's changing. That's good, because I only want to change one thing at a time if I can. 2/4 take away 3/4. Fractions, and the second fraction is larger than the first, and it's subtraction. We add its opposite, and this becomes a negative 1/4. The next part of the problem is exponents. There's no more groupings. Now I'm looking for exponents. 1/2 to the third. Well, 1/2 to the third is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, which produces a 1/8 minus, I have another exponent I can do at the same time if I want, since they don't impact each other. I have a negative 1/4 times a negative 1/4 produces a positive 1/16. No more exponents. I can move on to multiplication or division. Whatever happens first, left to right. So 1/16 times negative 4, that produces a negative 4/16. I could reduce that down or both have them over common denominators. So let's rewrite that as 1/8 minus a negative 2/8. I don't like to subtract. I like to add its opposites. So 1/8 plus a 2/8 produces a final result of 3/8. Large problem, lots of small steps that we've been successful doing, bit by bit by bit by bit, will get us down to a result that we can't do anything else with. It is totally simplified and there's no more operations around it. I hope you feel good doing this. It feels kind of good to do something that I thought I wasn't able to do.